Good evening. Today I'm gonna be unboxing the BTS winter package, and this is 2021 winter package. The last one last year, and hopefully they're gonna do another one this year, but I'm not sure. But I'm ready to open this. Let's get it. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put them back together. So yes, there you go. It's a heavy big box. So the front and the side and the back. Okay. So let's open. Wow, look, it's pretty neat. It's purple in color, and I think this is like a laptop, the size of a laptop, and I love it since, look, the logo, the BTS logo is here, and then it says winter package, army. Okay, let me open. This is really pretty neat. And you can take this one out. See? And I think I have two. I have extra. I'm not sure, but you can probably put the pictures here. Yes, you can. I think. So, BTS with army. And another army. Winter package. And then the BTS logo. I think this is so neat. And I'll take out everything. I have the lenticular. Should I look at the lenticular? Yes. Other. Oh my God, it's B. It's B. Hold on. Hold on. I'm so happy. I got B as the lenticular. Look, that is B. This is my bias B. You can tell whenever I get B for photo card or lenticular, I'm so happy. Okay. Nice. Yes, I've got B. And these are the pictures. Okay, hold on. I get so excited. Okay. So this is this is RM, Suga, Jin, J-Hope, Jimin, V, and Jungkook. Look at Jungkook. Masculine. It's Jungkook, V, Jimin. They're all cute. J-Hope, Jin, Suga, and RM. Aren't they cute? Okay, this one I think is like pictures inside. I just don't want to open it, so. And of course, this is the winter package, the making of. And oh, these are the pictures. Okay, let's open these pictures first. I so love this. Oh my goodness. And I got Teo lenticular, so that's it for me. I'm happy. Whenever I get him. So this is the 4x6. That's RM. Sugar. Jen. J-Hope. Jimin. V. Why do you have to cover his face? And Jungkook. And that's it. Okay. I'm so happy I got the. Yes. Wow. I'm just so happy. Okay. I'm gonna watch this tonight. This is the making DVD. And let's see the picture here. Oh my goodness. Look how cute they are. Oh, and there's a message at the back. Oh, I just have to translate them. And then here's the other picture. Looking gorgeous as ever. And by the way, they shoot this right after Suga came back after his surgery, shoulder surgery. So RM was really happy to see him. So, but oh gosh, I really love this. But this is the most important part. My lenticular is big. And then these are the photos. Oh, who cares? I'll open it. I open it anyway. Let's go all the way. So here, it's a lot. It's heavy. So there's a lot of pictures. I'm just gonna flip through them. I didn't know that we have it. So I have RM. So aside from the lenticular, I have RM. And I have an extra picture. Look. Another group photo. Oh my goodness. I think it's only one, but I've got RM for PC. It's so nice. Look at B. It's a good thing I opened it. I'm so happy I opened it. Look. Hi. V. Okay. I know. I love them all. But I don't know. I be so much. Jungkook, they cook forever. And oh gosh, look. Okay. I love Jin. I love RM. Look at Jin. But they're all super duper handsome. And I'm so happy I bought this. Okay, the video is getting long, so I'll cut it in this one. But if you want to buy it, this is a good buy. It really is. It's so thick, heavy, but there's a lot of goodies inside. So thumbs up. Okay, bye-bye.